As the hart panteth after the water brooks, so panteth my soul after thee, O God. Psalms 42:1. I realize that one of the reasons I may not have received a more definite answer to my prayer, more swift and specific manifestation for my spiritual treatment, is because I did not persist in my expectancy. I hoped for, rather than have faith, I would receive the good I desired. Now I realize that there must be a certain acceptance and expectancy that is built upon or sustained by faith. Because of faith, I must accept the fact that my good is and persist in expecting its manifestation. My faith sustains my expectancy at all times. Faith is an entirely individual and personal attitude. It flourishes within me. I realize that I may have as much faith as I will, regardless of anything and everything else. The only limit to what I may have is the faith I do have. As is my faith, so is my acceptance, and as is my acceptance, so is my expectancy. And finally, as is my expectancy, so is my demonstration or experience. Through the broad avenues of expectancy created within me by my faith, all good comes to me.